Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2020 to 2025 Toyota Corolla key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So to swap out the battery in this key fob, we will be using a small flathead screwdriver. And so first thing we're going to do is flip the key fob over, and next to the key ring, there is a small slot where we can stick in our flathead screwdriver. So we're going to stick our screwdriver in, and you can twist it or just try to pry it open, whichever works best. And you'll see it start to kind of loosen up on the side. And so what I like to do is just work the flathead screwdriver down the side until it just pops off. Then we can remove this little stopper with your finger, exposing the 2032 battery. Then we can just take our flathead screwdriver, pry the battery up, swap it out with our new battery, slide it in, put the stopper back in, replace our back cover, and we're finished. So hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.